Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create architectural designs with Imagine AI art generator. So, let us begin. Step 1. Begin your creative expedition by entering your Imagine AI art generator dashboard. Step 2. If it is not already in default mode, click on the text to image icon. Step 3. It's time to breathe life into your architectural vision. Forge creative prompts such as create an architectural design for a sports center that harmoniously blends innovative form, authentic materials, and dynamic spaces. Step 4. Ignite the magic. Click the generate button and let the power of AI do its work. A moment of anticipation. And step 5. Behold the evolution. Witness your architectural imagination materialize into brilliance. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on Generate again. And there you have it. Creating architectural designs with Imagine AI Art Generator is a journey of imagination and creativity. Start crafting your unique architectural masterpieces today and bring your visions to life. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.